how to set the swipe shutter button to take burst shot on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Now from here, tap on the control button. Then tap on settings. In camera settings, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on camera assistant. Next, scroll down and tap on swipe shutter button to edge 2 and select take burst shot. Now tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Then to take a picture, I'll go and select a different mode. So I will go and take photo mode, go to photo mode, and then here if we swipe, we can take burst shot. And here you can see it captures 76 images in that one burst shot. And that's it. Here we can tap on it to view the series. And that's it. I'm going to delete the whole series here by tap on the delete button and then tap on remove to recycle bin. Here I will tap on delete. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you can set the shutter button to take burst shot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.